The mystery behind Amish farming. Imagine a community in the heart of America where time seems to stand still, where horse-drawn buggies roll down quiet country roads, children play without screens, and lush green fields thrive, untouched by modern chemicals. This isn't a scene from a historical drama, it's the daily reality of the Amish people. In a world obsessed with high-tech farming, genetically modified seeds, and synthetic pesticides, the Amish quietly maintain a legacy that defies convention. Their crops grow strong, their soil remains rich, their food tastes real. But how? In today's video, we're diving deep into a secret world, one rarely shown on mainstream media. We're going to explore the lives of Amish farmers and discover exactly how they manage to grow bountiful crops without the use of pesticides. And best of all, we'll break it down step by step so you can start applying these ancient natural techniques in your own garden or farm. Stay with us to the end of this video, because what you'll learn might just change the way you look at food forever. Step-by-step guide to Amish pest-free farming. Let's uncover the exact techniques the Amish use to grow healthy, pest-resistant crops without a single drop of chemical pesticide. 1. Soil health is everything. Before planting anything, the Amish invest time in improving the soil. Composting. They use rich compost made from animal manure, usually from their own cows and horses, straw, and kitchen waste. This not only fertilizes the soil, but also introduces beneficial microbes. Crop rotation. They avoid growing the same crop in the same place 2 years in a row. Rotation breaks the life cycle of pests and improves soil health. Cover crops. Between growing seasons, they plant cover crops like clover, rye, or alfalfa. These prevent erosion, fix nitrogen into the soil, and suppress weeds naturally. How to apply this? Start composting your food scraps and yard waste. Plan a crop rotation schedule, e.g., tomatoes, beans, squash. In the off-season, sow a cover crop. 2. Heirloom and companion planting. Heirloom seeds. Amish farmers often use heirloom seeds, passed down for generations. These plants are more genetically diverse and resilient than hybrid varieties. Companion planting. This technique involves planting certain crops together to enhance growth and deter pests. Examples: marigolds next to tomatoes to repel nematodes, basil near peppers to improve flavor and repel flies. Corn, beans, and squash, the three sisters, support each other structurally and nutritionally. How to apply this? Choose heirloom seeds from trusted suppliers. Pair crops wisely. A little research on companion planting can go a long way. 3. Natural repellents and traps. The Amish often use homemade repellents made from ingredients like garlic, onions, cayenne pepper, and vinegar. These mixtures are sprayed directly on plants. They also use sticky traps for flying insects, beer traps for slugs, neem oil derived from the neem tree as a natural insecticide. How to apply this? Make a garlic spray. Blend 2 bulbs of garlic with water, strain, and spray. Use neem oil, diluted with water, and a little soap as a weekly spray. 4. Physical barriers and hand tools. Because Amish farms are small-scale and family-run, they can afford to be meticulous. Row covers keep insects off tender seedlings. Mulching with straw suppresses weeds and retains moisture. Hand-picking pests may sound tedious, but it's surprisingly effective. How to apply this? Use lightweight floating row covers. Spread mulch 2 to 3 inches thick around plants. Check plants daily in the morning or evening for pests. 5. Encouraging beneficial insects and birds. Rather than killing all insects, the Amish attract predators of the bad ones. Ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps help control aphids and caterpillars. Birdhouses and feeders encourage pest-eating birds like swallows and wrens. How to apply this? Plant flowers like dill, fennel, and yarrow to attract beneficial insects. Avoid using broad-spectrum sprays that kill both good and bad bugs. Set up birdhouses around your garden. Daily life on an Amish farm. Children help with feeding animals. Adults milk cows and tend to the fields. Lunch is a big family event, often featuring vegetables they grew themselves. There's a deep sense of rhythm to their lives. Sundays are for rest and worship. Evenings are quiet, spent reading scripture or visiting neighbors. While the Amish live without many modern conveniences, their days are rich with purpose and connection, to the land, to each other, and to something greater. Their gardens are extensions of their faith, planted with intention, harvested with gratitude. Advantages of the Amish way. So, how does the Amish style of farming compare to modern methods? Healthier food. Without chemical pesticides, their produce is free from harmful residues. It's fresher, more flavorful, and often more nutritious. Better for the environment. No runoff, no pollution. Amish farming protects the waterways and preserves biodiversity. Soil longevity. Where modern farms strip the land, Amish practices restore it. Their soil gets better year after year. Self-reliance and resilience. In times of supply chain disruptions, the Amish remain self-sufficient. They grow their food, save their seeds, and rely on community, not corporations. Mental and spiritual peace. Farming in tune with nature fosters a different kind of wealth, peace of mind, gratitude, and a sense of purpose. The choice is yours. You don't have to be Amish to farm like one. You don't need to give up electricity or dress in black. What you do need is a shift in mindset, from control to cooperation, from chemicals to care. Start small, a garden box on your balcony, a few heirloom seeds, a compost pile in the backyard. The Amish have shown us that it's possible to live richly without wealth, to feed a family without chemicals, and to heal the earth by simply honoring its design. So what will you grow next? And more importantly, how will you grow it? Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about sustainable living and hidden wisdom from communities around the world.